Bachelor of Science of Criminology is a 4-year college degree program intended for individuals who wish to have a career in the fields of law enforcement, security administration, crime detection and prevention, or correctional administration. The criminology course have 4 skills needed. We have organization and time management, interpersonal skills, communication skills, and problem-solving abilities. Organization and time management, ito yung sa kakayahan magtanong ng prioridad at schedule para sa pag-aaral at pagsusuri. Next is interpersonal skills. Dito naman ay may kakayahang makisama at makipagtulungan ng maayos ang mga kasamahan. Next is communication skills. Kakayahan sa bibig at nakasulat sa English at sa katutubong wika, lalo na kapag gumagawa ng mga ulat. Next is yung problem solving. Sa problem solving, kakayahan timbangin ang kahitnan ng bawat sitwasyon at kung paano ito masosolusyonan.
Criminology. What is criminology? The criminology derived from the Latin word na ibig sabihin ay offense at logos o logia na ang ibig sabihin ay study. And also this is the body of crime as a social phenomenon. May tatlong itong scope. Ito ang the making of law, the breaking of law, an act of punishable by law, the reaction of society towards the breaking of law. Introduce ito ni Rafael Garofalo noong 1885 in Italian called Criminologia at inintroduce naman ito ni Paul Topinard noong 1887 sa French na itinatawag na Criminology.
Core principle of division of criminology. Sociology of criminal, which is an attempt of scientific analysis of the condition under the criminal law influence society. The criminal etiology, which is an attempt at scientific analysis of the study of causes of reason for crime. Penology concern the control of crime by representing criminal activities through the fear of the punishment. Criminalistic concern with the collection, identification, and recognition of physical evidence at the crime scene.
Aims of the study of the criminology to understand crimes and krimen ang sinasadyang paggawa ng isang kilos, ang mga sinasadyang paggawa ng isang kilos na karaniwang tinuturing na nakakapinsala o makapanganib na lipunan. To prevent the occurrence of crime, ang pag-iwas sa krimen ang ibinubuo ng mga estrahiya o hakbang ng mga maglalayong bawasan ang panganib ng mga krimen na nagaganap at kanilang mga potensyal na maminsala epekto sa mga individual at lipunan, kabilang ang mga takot sa krimen sa pamamagitan ng pakikialam upang maimpluwensyahan ang kanilang mga dahilan. The scope of criminology, the making of law, a form of the study of state activity intended on the creation of the legal norms. Number 2, the breaking of law, an act punishment by law usually considered an evil act. Number 3, the creation towards the breaking of law. Criminologists have adopted methods of study from all social and behavioral science.
2. As social science, kung ang krimen ang isang paglikha ng lipunan at ito ay umiiral sa isang lipunan, ang pag-aaral nito ay dapat ituring na bahagi ng agham panlipunan. 3. Dynamic, nagbabago ang kriminolohiya habang nagbabago ang mga kalagayang panlipunan ng nangangahulugang ito ay pag-unlad ng kriminolohiya. 4. Nationalistics, ang pag-aaral ng krimen ay dapat palaging umaayon sa umiiral na batas kriminal ng bansa.
Law. It is the rule of conduct, just and made obligatory by the legitimate authority, for the common observance and benefit. It is symbolically represented by blindfolded, woman carrying with one hand and sword and the other a balance. Criminal law. It is the branch or division of law which defines crimes, threats, or their nature and provides for their punishment. Act number 3815. The primary source of criminal law in the Philippines. It is otherwise known as the Revised Penal Code and it took effect on January 1, 1932. The Code Committee was chaired by Anacleto Diaz with its member namely Quintin Paredes, Alex Reyes, Mariano de Hoya, and Guillermo Guevara.
I've gained a bit of knowledge about crime through my experience in assessing and evaluating classroom activities. Crimes refers to various illegal actions that are against the law and society norms. Number 2. What makes an act a crime? When an act is considered a crime, it usually involves breaking a law of regulation that's been set by government. Before diving into the lesson, my understanding of what makes an act a crime was a bit limited, but now I've learned that for an action to before diving into the lesson, my understanding of what makes an act a crime was a bit limited, but now I've learned that for an action to be labeled a crime, it needs to fulfill a specific condition set out by the law. These conditions. Number 3. What is the theory of logomacy? Logomacy, also known as the language of crime, focuses on how criminals use language to experience themselves and communicate their actions. It's an interesting concept that intersects linguistics and criminology. Before diving into lesson, my understanding of what theory, logomacy in criminology was limited. However, as I went through the material, I learned that logomacy focuses on the language of crime and how criminals use language to convey their action, thoughts, and emotions.
Maintain approaches in the explanation of crime. 1. Objective approaches. Criminal behavior is explained in terms of factors extraneous to the offenders, which are sociological, cultural, and economic. Objective approaches ay isang paraan ng pag-aaral o pag-analisa na may batay sa mga katotohanan at datos. Ito ay hindi nakakasentro sa personal na opinion o emosyon, kundi sa mga obserbasyon at resulta ng mga eksperimento o pagsusuri. Number 2. Subjective approaches. Criminal behavior is explained in terms of factors within criminal, i.e. physical, biological, and mental traits. Subjective approaches ay isang tumutukoy sa pag-aaral ng pagsusuri ng krimen at kriminal na pag-uugali mula sa perspektibo. Subjective approaches. Criminal behavior is explained in terms of factors within criminal, i.e. physical, biological, and mental traits. Subjective approaches ay isang tumutukoy sa pag-aaral at pagsusuri ng krimen at kriminal na pag-uugali mula sa perspektibo ng individual. Ito ay nakatuon sa pag-uunawa sa mga karanasan, pananaw at personal na interpretasyon ng mga nagkakasala at biktima.
School of Thoughts in Criminology. Number 1. Classical School. The classical school development during the relief in response to excessive and cruel crime. Cesar Besaria argued and the death penalty. Punishable conduct would only be that the person is treated equally before the law. A similar punishment would also entail criminal behavior that encroaches on the liberty of another in violation of the social construct. Status would no longer be a factor in favorable treatment or punishment. Central to the classical school was the presence of free will. Behavior resulted from awareness. People from the difference between right and wrong. The choice.
Neoclassical school. Neoclassical school contributed by emphasizing individual responsibility and rational decision-making in criminal behavior. Ang neoclassical school ay lumitaw sa malaking bahagi upang malunasan ng ilang
sa mga problemang nilikha ng classical school. According to Taylor, Walton, and Young, contradictions in classicism presented themselves in universal penal measure and in day-to-day practices. It was impossible in practice to ignore the determinants of human action and proceed as if punishments and incarceration could be easily measured on some kind of universal calculus. Apart from throwing the working of the law itself into doubt, in punishing property crime by deprivation of property. Classicism appeared to contradict widely held common-sensical notions of human behavior. Positivist school. Positivist school greatly contribute to the world of criminology through scientific research and empirical analysis. Ang positivist school ay sumalungat sa pag-unawa ng classical school sa krimen. Ang lahat ng tao ay magkakaiba, kaya nagpapalitan ng kanilang pag-unawa sa tama at mali. Dapat itong maging isang barometro para sa parusa. The person and not the crime be punished. Positivism has seen its role as the systematic elimination of the free will, metaphysics of the classical school, and the replacement of a science of society, which takes the task of eradicating crime. Lan Taylor, Paul Walton, and Jack Young wrote in The New Criminology for a Theory of Deviation.
Who's responsible with 34